In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark in DaVinci Resolve. First, let's navigate to the Edit page. This is where you'll be doing most of your editing work. To find it, look for the tab at the bottom of the screen that says Edit. It is typically the second tab from the left. Clicking this will bring you to the workspace where you can see your timeline and clips laid out. This step is vital because the Edit page is where we will make the necessary adjustments to your video. Once you are on this page, you will feel ready to take control of your project. Next, select the clip that contains the watermark. This is a straightforward action. Just click on the clip in your timeline that you wish to edit. You will know you've selected it when you see a highlighted border around the clip. This selection process is crucial because it tells DaVinci Resolve that this is the specific part of your project you want to work with. It is essential to ensure you are selecting the right clip, so take a moment to double-check. After you have selected the clip, open the inspector. You can find the inspector in the top right corner of the interface. Click on the icon that looks like a small slider or knob. This panel gives you access to various settings and adjustments for the selected clip. Opening the inspector is an important step because it provides you with the tools needed to modify your clip effectively. It will display options like zoom, position, and more, which we will use shortly. Now use the zoom and position tools to crop the watermark out. In the inspector panel, look for the zoom slider. Adjust this to zoom in on your clip, which can help you frame your shot better. Then use the position settings to move the clip around, effectively hiding or cropping the watermark. This step is significant because it allows you to focus on the essential parts of your video without the distraction of the watermark. Take your time to make these adjustments precisely as needed. Once you have made these adjustments, double-check to ensure the watermark is no longer visible. Play back the clip in the timeline to see how it looks. This is a crucial moment because you want to make sure that your changes have been effective. Watching the clip will help you confirm that the watermark has been successfully cropped out. If it's still visible, don't hesitate to make further adjustments until you are satisfied with the result. This is a common part of the editing process, so be patient with yourself. Finally, remember to save your work. Click on the File menu at the top left corner and select Save Project. This ensures that all your changes are securely recorded. Saving your project regularly is important because it prevents any loss of your hard work. You will see a confirmation appear indicating that your project has been saved successfully. This small step can save you a lot of time and effort in case of unexpected software crashes or other issues. By following these steps, you can easily remove watermarks from your clips using DaVinci Resolve. With practice, you will become more comfortable with these tools, making your editing process smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!